Dr. Van Zanden, Dr. Van Zanden, and Dr. ER, and Dr. T. We all here to please thee, and thee, and thee, and me, and you, and me, and we. Dig the shit right inside in the night. Dr. T dropping lines for yites. Monday night, the week started here with us, the Weird Doctors from Holland. We are ready for the big show. We're gonna tour through Europe this summer. We're gonna tour through festivals. We're gonna be entertaining people throughout Europe, reggae festivals, you know what I'm saying? The dub sounds, the Dutch dub doctors on tour. You dig it? We're gonna be fine, 99. Tell him, bro. You've been sipping that laughing gas and stuff and all.
Dr. T, thank you very much. It was so nice, it was so happy. Oh yeah, we're just bitter. We're just inhaling the gas while we'll take the blue pill. But you did take the red pill, didn't you, Dr. T? It's a good day to die, Dr. T. It's a good day to die, but also to fly, to heal those who are blessed. And it's our job to heal them. It's our job to save them. So go with the flow, take it over you, take it with you. It's for you, it's for me. It's for all of you out there. Dr. ER, heal them. Take the pain, that's our medicine.
Ready for the big show, big operation, because there's a sound problem here. There's a sound thing coming about. Listen up, World of DJs Radio. Dr. T is live with Dr. ER and Dr. Van Zanden. We have a little surgical problem here. A sound operation. We will be enjoying yourselves. So listen up to the sound, and we'll be back here at World of DJs.
I really afraid of it.
For Dr. T. Start the operation.
Instead of the comfort of it.
Nein, das wird nicht sein. Ich bin Doktor. Ich bin oder aber. Behind Wheel of Steel. Doktor. With no assistance from Dr. T. The Doctor. Spindoktor.
Down with the flow from the Dutch Death Doctors live from Dr. T. Go to Plan B. Doctors live from Dr. T. Doctors live. You're just chilling with the flow of You're just chilling with the flow of Dr. T. From Denver, Colorado, in a ski. The Doctor's live from Dr. T with his assistant of Dr. E.